so excited to unbox Front Door Fashion. I literally just did one of these with y'all not even a month ago. We had a few fit issues. It had been the first time they had sent me a box in probably 2 years. And so everything ran a little big. So they reached back out and were like, hey, can we send another box? They actually said, can we send you a mini box? And I was like, what's a mini box? So a mini box is the exact same thing with less items. So I think there's 20 items in here. You get 8 to 10 items. So if you have like a special event coming up and you're like, I want a daytime look and a nighttime look, you can just order a mini box. You don't have to get the big man pajama. So super excited to learn that. However, I think I went overboard and I've got a full box here because we got all excited and carried away. So other thing I want to note is the girl who styled me last time is no longer with the company. I'm not sure what, that's none of my business. But I have a new stylist, so this is a new girl that I am trying here. I chatted with her on the phone. She's super sweet. We exchanged some text messages, and here's my box. They ask you if you feel comfortable doing those things. If you don't have to, if you don't want to, you don't have to. I'm just a talker, obviously. So I'm down with chatting on the phone and texting. All right. She just carried over my notes from my last box. I told her that I found the denim jacket I was seeking after, and plus showed her a few other items that I got from my trunk club unboxing. So if you want to check out the trunk club unboxing, I'm going to link it here. But I told her just to steer clear of those items. And she said, got it. As always, you have the white envelope on top, which has note from your stylist. Woo! Tips and tricks, shoes. These are the little tapey things that the clothes you don't want, you put them back in the box and you just tape it closed. They literally think of everything. So my stylist said, thank you so much for allowing me to style you and for the feature on the pink envelope. Yes. She watched, that's exciting. I hope to find a few transition fall pieces to suit you well. So there we go. Then this is the invoice of by outfit. So that's an outfit and the items in it. Not like one outfit, but like a grouping. This is a grouping of outfits, the items in it, grouping of outfits, item in it. Let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. Oh, it's right there. 20 total items with a total of 2019. This box is equivalent to Nordstrom. So if you're a budget watcher, I don't know that this is gonna be your box. Same thing with Truck Club. There's just levels to boxes. This is that upper echelon. Here is the label you stick on when you're done to ship things back. Super, super easy. One of my favorite parts about this box. Everything comes beautifully wrapped in this bag and grouped. And it's oh so heavy. That didn't just magically appear. My husband brought it over. So here's a look. It's a sweater. I'm gonna kind of space them out so this thing doesn't blip. Here's a look, and there's multiple items. There's pants underneath these tops. Ooh, I love this. Those are snazzy. Oh, that's cute. Hey, wait. I own this sweater already. That means she knows what I like. That's good. Interesting. I'm intrigued. I can say size-wise, this stuff looks like it actually is gonna fit me, which was the problem last time. Okay, I'm gonna grab the first outfit, put it on. We'll talk through how much it costs, how many pieces I'm wearing, and all that good stuff. Okay, here's dress number 1. It's by Michael Stars. It is the long sleeve cross front dress, size small, color Everglades. It's normally $138, which I think is super fair, but it's on sale right now for $69. So, I mean, unless y'all just write a comment about something that is just glaringly terrible about this dress, it's a cape. Like, I love it. It's extraordinarily comfortable. It's forgiving. It's perfect for Christmas parties, which is exactly where we're going. And it's way within my budget. I mean, am I missing something? Something I should know? Otherwise, this is a keep for sure. I don't know about this one. What do y'all think? I love that it's different. I love the sleeve length. I love the skirt. I love the way it looks from the back. I don't know about this. So like, I could not wear a bra because you can see too much. So I can wear stickies. Sticky boobies are fine. But does it just look too big? How does it look? Yes or no? This is the Paige Yardley dress in white and mauve, size extra small. It's normally $198, and it's on sale for $99. So $100 with tax for this. Yes or no? Tell me what you think. Here's outfit number 3. I have the hardest time with belts. So the belt is too big. So I'm gonna take it off so that it doesn't distract. Super cute belt though, super, super cute. Can y'all see the pattern on it? Love it, but too big. So I've been wanting a pleated skirt so bad, but I have the hardest time finding them narrow enough to fit on my natural waist. This one actually fits. So is it cute? Does it make me have like a little poochie? I feel like sometimes these create poochies. Here's being honest. You'll have to tell me. It's super comfortable. This is the Z Supply wrap tank in Dusty Cedar, size extra small, $48. This is the Scotch and Soda pleated mini skirt in combo color, extra small, $148. And that was a Scotch and Soda belt, the skinny leather belt. It was $65. So, let me know. Okay, these 2 items only are the next look. Skirt's a little big. I mean, I would like to take it in about that much. So take that into consideration. But what do we think? Do we like it? Do we not like it? This shirt is the Amanda Pritchard Helene top at $108 for this guy. And this is the Sanctuary Ryan corduroy skirt. It was $89. It's marked down to $44.50. So, I mean, I wish this was a little smaller at $44. Wonder if I should go have it taken in. What y'all think? So I decided the skirt's too big. I need to stop trying to make things work just because I love it. I love that material. So I ran back into her room and I kept the Amanda Upshaw top on, which by the way, when I took it off to change, I realized it was originally $216. It's marked down to $108. Anyhow, I threw on this belt and this skirt to create this look, and I love it. I think this is so cute. It fits good. Nothing has to be altered. And this belt and this skirt are from my front door fashion box 5 years ago. This skirt came in my very first box. I might have a photo. I did a really cheesy unboxing on my phone way back in the day that I would probably be too embarrassed to show you guys now. Requested a second box from them, and this belt came in the second box. So I am all front door fashion, just happens to be 3 different boxes. So definitely keeping this. All right, here's my next look. These are not my ideal boots. I'm waiting for them to go on sale, so y'all will just have to deal with these. I already pretty much own this exact same sweater made by somebody else, so I'm gonna pass on it because I don't need 2 of the same. I would have kept these leggings, and yes, these are leggings, but they're too big. You can see all the way down. They don't actually fit me. Otherwise, these would have been all the way yes. This is the Grease leggings by Sanctuary in Dover Plaid, size extra small, $89. And this is the Green Point Sweater by Rag Poets in Sycamore, extra small, $76. So this is all going back, but if you like it, take note. All right, another look. I love this skirt and I love this top, and I like the way they look right now, but as soon as I turn around, you can see the thick material of the shirt through the thin skirt. So they did give me a pair of pants to try on with this, so I'm gonna go slip those pants on so y'all can see this, but I might also do a few mixes and matches, but I can't decide if I like it or not when I know the outfit doesn't work. But this is the Blouse on sleeve shirt by 1520. Ooh, it's $172. That's hard for me. I like it, don't get me wrong, and I bet it's like so cute with jeans. But $172? Ah! And then this is the Cupcakes in Cashmere Matilda skirt in caramel, size 0, 108. So here you go. That's what this outfit makes me feel like I should do. After getting this box from Front Door Fashion and how much I'm loving everything, and then getting my Trunk Club box, which was amazing and loving everything, I'm kind of thinking about going all fun with Dick and Jane and starting robbing some banks because I need some cash to afford these clothes that I don't need that I desperately want. I mean, this is good stuff right here. And I am not even kidding. I absolutely love this. Now, I don't have the funds to really purchase items that I can't wear. I mean, I'm not like clothing capsule type people where I'm like, oh, I will wear a theme my capsule every month and blah, blah, blah. But I do have like, you know, a budget to watch. These extraordinarily awesome Uma pants are the gray check size 2, 130. And this is the same top I had on earlier, which, what did we say? This is 172. Front Door Fashion. You're killing me. I love it. So this is an exact outfit I've been crushing on for entirely too long. This new stylist, she's gonna kill me. Or she's gonna kill my husband. I mean, I will be looking great, but he may be dead after he sees this invoice. So the jeans are an easy can for me because I own 50 pairs of jeans, so I obviously already own jeans just like these. But here's the deal. This jacket is the Black Swan Sintra jacket in navy, extra small. It's 178. And then the top underneath is Rag Poets. It's $68, size extra small. And they're both like needs. Like I need them. Isn't this just the cutest? I love it. It makes me feel so happy. Clothes, dang clothes. All I did was swap my top. This is a Michael Starr Gigi sweater. It is $98. I am not a big animal print person, although I know it is all the rage right now. It's extraordinarily soft. I love it, would recommend it to anyone, but since I'm not a big animal print person and I have other things I love more, I'm gonna be returning it. But if you are an animal print person, this is the win. Y'all, this top is so different from anything I've tried in forever. I don't think it's my style, I don't love it, but it's super, super cute. Like, I don't know, it's so unique. And these pants are velvety smooth, super soft. I have other things I love more, so I will be passing. But this top is the Bailey 44 Stripe Tart Top, size extra small, 178. And these pants are the Rag Poets Hangover Sateen Pant, only 82 bucks. Really good. Pretty cute, huh? I've got 2 more tops that I'm gonna try on with this pant, and then we're done. These are the same pants. I just swapped tops. Isn't this so cute? This top is the BB Dakota on chiffon top in mauve rose, extra small for $75. I think this is so, so cute. I'm not normally like a baby doll-esque type top girl, but this one makes me feel pretty. I love it. And last but not least is this cute little top. Same pants. Isn't that cute? It's super soft too. This is the Jade one shoulder flounce top in Geo Stripe, size extra small for $86. So here we go. I'm gonna link up my last front door fashion box. It had a ton of cute things. I kept several items, but there were some fit issues. After sitting that back, leading feedback from my stylist and having this next box come in, you can see a huge difference. More things that are my style, more things that fit me perfectly, more things to spend my money on. For good and for bad, what can I say? All right, front door fashion, amazing, amazing, amazing. If you guys wanna try them out, link in my bio to sign up, check them out. I highly recommend it. We're coming to the holiday season. You need nice clothes, even if it's just a handful of items to get you through the next 2 quarters. The splurge is worth it. Give this video a thumbs up if you hung in there. I super appreciate it. If you guys have any questions for me, you know how to find me. Instagram, Facebook, leave comments below. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.